In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Zoho Mail. We all know that sinking feeling when you hit send on an email, only to realize there's a mistake or you've forgotten a crucial piece of information. Thankfully, Zoho Mail offers a handy feature for recalling emails, allowing you some peace of mind. So, let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Mail account on a web browser. This feature is available in the web version, so make sure you're not using the mobile app for this operation. Once you've logged in, head straight to your Sent folder. This is where you'll find all the emails you've dispatched, and fortunately, it's also where our retrieval mission begins. Now, the next step is to locate the specific email that you want to recall. Scan through your Sent folder until you spot it, then click on it to open. Here, you'll notice a range of options. What you're looking for is the mail delivery status icon. It's typically nestled around the top area of your email, and it looks like an envelope with a downward arrow overlay. Click on this icon, and a pop-up window should appear in front of you. Within this pop-up, you'll see the option to recall this email. It's important to remember that the recall function has a time constraint. You have a 30-minute window from the moment you send an email to use this feature. This means you'll need to act quickly if you notice an error shortly after sending. Once you've clicked on Recall this email, the system will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll do this by clicking on the Proceed button. It's as simple as that. 2 clicks, and you've attempted to undo that hasty send-off. After you've clicked Proceed, the system will begin the recall process. Now, the outcome of this recall attempt can vary, and Zoho Mail will inform you of the result. If the recall is complete, it means all the internal recipients no longer have access to the email. If it's a partial recall, some recipients still receive the email, but others did not. And if the recall failed, it indicates that none of the emails could be retrieved. Each of these outcomes will be communicated to you, so you'll know precisely how successful the recall attempt was. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively recall an email in Zoho Mail. Although email recalls are not entirely foolproof and work under particular conditions, they can be a lifesaver in many situations. Make sure to act swiftly and within that 30-minute frame to maximize your success rate. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions.